For today's video, we're looking at our barn raising QLYFT operation. A customer of ours wanted to raise his building up so he could put semis in it, which meant he needed a larger door. We've got a building that was erected in 1989. The building behind me is a 30-foot by 56-foot long. It's 12 feet tall, and we're raising it up to 16 feet high. We brought our engineers into the process to make sure that the structure would stand and would be strong once it's raised to that height. And right now you can see we've got it lifted, and we're adding new column splices in. And we will finish bracing, lower the frames, and remove those today. And then we will put siding on the outside, and we'll be complete.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.